Good morning to everyone. This is Embedded Systems Internship and the project name is Microwave Oven presented by Pavani Yettappu and Lakshmi Chetanu. The topics that learned during internships are Introduction to C language, arrays, pointers, functions and strings, conditional loop and operators, introduction of embedded systems and microcontrollers. The simulators are MPLab, XIDE, XCP, PICSIMLab, 8C8 compiler. The introduction and interfacing various peripherals of PIC16F877A. Disha workshop. The contents are what is embedded system, block diagram, microprocessor versus microcontroller, requirements, microwave oven modes, PIC microcontroller, PIC SimLab, CCLD software implementation. And this is the block diagram. Next, what is embedded systems? An embedded system is a specialized computer system, a combination of computer processor, computer memory, and input or output peripheral devices that has a dedicated function within a large mechanical or electrical systems. And there is embedded system architecture here. Now, microprocessor versus microcontroller. Microcontrollers are compact, self contained, single chip computers integrated a CPU, memory, and peripherals for dedicated lower power tasks such as in household appliances or IoT devices. Microprocessors are powerful, general purposes CPUs requiring extra memory and peripherals, making them ideal for high performance applications like personal computers. The requirements are MPLab IDE, XC8 compiler, PIC-SIMLab, PIC16F877A, 16X4 CCLD, matrix keypad, and timer. Now microwave oven modes. Micro mode on a microwave uses electromagnetic waves to quickly heat food by existing water molecules, making it perfectly by reheating, defrosting and cooking soft items, but it does not brown food and requires microwave safe dishes like glass, ceramic without metal, safe plastic. While prohibiting metal, you select power levels and set a timer to control cooking intensity. Now, grill mode. Grill mode in a microwave uses a top mounted heating element to sear, brown, and crisp food, simulating traditional grilling, roasting, and toasting. It is deal for chicken wings, pizza, and browning dishes, often combined with a metal rack to bring food closer to the heating element. Convention mode. Convention mode in a microwave transforms the appliances into a compact convection oven by using a heating element and fan to circulate hot air, allowing for baking, roasting, and browning at temperatures usually between 40 degrees Celsius and 200 degrees Celsius. It is ideal for dishes requiring a crispy texture such as cookies, cakes, pizza, and toasted meats. The start mode. The start mode on a microwave initiates the cooking process, usually defaulting to 100% power for a set duration. Most models allow quick starting options, example plus 30 seconds for immediate operation. For convention or specialization modes, pressing start initiates preheating or cooking after setting the temperature and time. Pick microcontroller. PIC 16F877A 8-bit microcontroller, RISC architecture, on-chip timers and interrupts, multiple input-output ports, controls LCD. PIC SimLab, PIC simulation software for PIC microcontrollers, used to test programs without hardware, support LCD keypad LEDs, and helpful for debugging and demo. CLCD 16 into 2 character LCD, display mode name and time, shows system messages, connected using data and control lines, improves user interaction. Software implementation. Programming language is embedded C, compiler is XC8, and modular programming approach, separate file for LCD, keypad, and modes, and easy maintenance and readability. Thank you. And my friend will continue.
This is the microwave oven project in MB Lab. These are the header files clcdh, main.h, matrixkeeper.h, timers.h. These are the source files clc.c, isr.c, main.c, matrixkeeper.c, timer.c. This clcdh code is main.h code is matrixkeeper.h. This clc.c is timers.h, isr.c, main.c, matrixkeeper.c, timer.c. In main.c, in microwave oven project, we should clean this. By clicking clean, your output given clean successfully. Now, by clicking right click, clean and build. By clicking clean and build, it will give like this, build successful. These are the output. This is the microwave oven project. This is the boards. Here we selected this. These are the microcontrollers. Here we selected this. These are the modules, these are the tools. In this we have selected this. In file, I have loaded a microwave oven file. By clicking this, it will start it. It will display like this. Micro, grill, convection, start. By clicking one, it will give like this. Now I am giving 11. By clicking this, it will start. The timer is going on. Now I am clicking 2. I am giving 20. Again started. By clicking 5, it will pass. By clicking 6, it will stop. By clicking 2, and I am giving 20, again it started. By clicking 5, it will pass. By clicking 4, it will start. Now I am clicking 3. I am giving 20. The timer is going on. Now I am clicking 4. The timer is given. This is the microwave oven project.